Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google to perform information gathering on our target. Now, Google is the best search engine in the world. There's so much you can do with Google beyond your regular search. Okay? And if you really want to succeed, not just in ethical hacking, but IT in general, if you know how to really use the search engine well, it will help your career immensely. I mean, I can't stress it enough. There is so much you can do with this. So we are still using hackthisite.org as our target, and we want to perform some recon on hack this site. So I'll just come here and type hack this site and enter. Now Google gives me a lot of results. Okay, 418,000 for hack this site. Now it gives me the website, which is www.hackthisite.org. It gives me some videos related to hack this site. It gives me the Wikipedia article, the Twitter page, GitHub page, and so on. Now let's say I want to trim this. This is a lot, and I want to trim I want to only find things that are related to this hackthisite.org. So I come here now and I put the operator site colon hackthisite.org. Now what this does, it only shows me everything related to hackthisite.org. So as you can see here now, I'm saying v3dev.hackthisite.org, www.hackthisite.org. I'm saying some other wwws. I'm saying paste.hackthisite.org. I'm saying ctf.hackthisite. So this is also a good tool also to find subdomains of a particular target. Now let's say I only want to find results only related to www.hackthisite.com. I come here and I just type www.hackthisite.org, and all my results here are only related to www.hackthisite.org. So let me go back. So these are some of the sites that I saw. Now let's say I want to I don't want www.hackthisite. So I could just come here and put space then minus. Now minus is saying, okay, I don't want this. Okay, so I'm saying minus www. Okay, and once I press enter, so it gives me other subdomains, but not the www.hackthisite.org. So it's giving me, I'm saying forum.hackthisite, I'm saying HP, I'm saying paste, PI, legal, CTF, legal, paste. So there are so many of them, but I won't see the www. So it could also be, let's say I want to find some sensitive files that are in this hackthisite.org. Now the thing is, some developers while working, they might leave a few sensitive files, in a website, and maybe those files are not actually meant for public, for public view. So if we are lucky, we might be able to find those files, and Google is there to help you. So to find those files, I'll use the keyword file type. And what type of file are you looking for? So let's say we are looking for PDF files. Okay, so I'll put sites column hackthisite.org, file type PDF, and once I press enter, all my results, now it gives me 38 results. All my results are PDF documents, as you can see here now, PDF, all of them. And I'll have to check all of this, and maybe if I'm lucky, I'll find a sensitive file which isn't meant for public use, and which might also be useful for me, be useful to me. So like I said, Google is actually a very, very useful tool, to aid in information gathering, and there's so many other commands, so many other operators you can use. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to come here and type Google advanced search. Now if I come to Google advanced search and click on the first result, it takes me to the advanced search page. Now this is just shows me a visual of everything I was doing. Instead of the keywords, I could just come here and type them. So if I want to type a particular word, I come here, like I typed hack this site. Okay, like I typed hack this site. If I want an exact word or phrase, you know, I come here as well, type it, and it shows me here on the right hand side, it showed me the keyword, how I'm going to use it. So it showed, so as you can see here now, it's saying if I want like this a particular word to appear, I'll put the quotes. If I want let's say any one of these words, maybe I want a particular word, maybe something or something, I'll use the keyword. As you can see, I use the keyword or. Okay, I'll use the keyword or. If I want none of these words, which is what we looked at, I'll use minus. Okay, so let's say I don't want a particular word appearing, I'll use minus. But again, I can just type it here. This is just a visual representation instead of using the keywords. If I want numbers ranging from a particular number to a particular number, I could as well come here. Then I could also narrow down the result, let's say by language, by region, last updates, site, which is what we looked at here. And you know, there's just so much you can do with the advanced search. So this, if you don't want to learn the keywords, you know, you could also as well come here to advanced search and type what you want to do. But it will pay, you know, it will pay you more. You know, it makes your work faster if you know the keywords. I mean, it's not rocket science. So Google, these are just some of the things you can do with Google. And there is a very wonderful site, which is the Google Hacking Database. So it shows you how to use a lot of these operators, you know, and how you can do a lot of recon with it. So Google Hacking Database is the very first result, which you can see here, and is also a favorite in the browser, which is here. So Kali actually expects that you use it a lot, so that's why it's a favorite in the browser. So if I click on that, it brings me to the Google Hacking Database site. Now there's so many docs that you can use, as you can see here, so many of them, and you can just keep going to, there are quite a lot of them. You know, you could go to the last page, you know, and there are quite a lot of them. You could also filter. If I want to filter, I come here to filters, and it's by category. So if I want even files containing usernames, sensitive directories, web server detection, vulnerable files, vulnerable servers, error messages, files containing juicy info, files containing passwords. I mean, you might just be lucky, you know. And a lot of sites, the truth is that a lot of sites, you know, are very vulnerable, and all it takes is for you to just come here, take some time, perform a lot of recon with some of these docs, and maybe if you're just lucky, you'll be able to get something useful in your information gathering. So with that, I come to the end of this. You know, I would advise you to spend some time with Google. There's so much you can do with it, you know, and spend as much time as possible. I remember, you know, the more you practice, the more you get better at it. You know, I keep saying it, consistency over time is success. Never forget that. Okay? So with that, I come to the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. See you soon.